Hello and welcome back to Roy's the Boy. Now in today's video I have a Sthil TS400 disc cutter which has got some sheared bolts on the puller start. So I've got to try and retap them to a bigger size, so let's go and sort it. Okay, I've already pulled two of the bolts out, which they did just pull out, and I undid the third one. So what is really happening is two bolts here, which I have literally, they just push in and push out. So I'm going to attempt to retap those into an M6 Allen bolt. This one's alright, but I shall also do that one. Might as well, in case that one goes again as well. Okay, these bolts. Now the only bolts I could get, I had to go and buy these. They're M6. They were 25mm. I needed 20mm, so I've had to shave some of them down. Now I do have a deburring tool which can do these. Well, pieces of longer studding or longer bolts, but because of these too short, I can't do it. But here's a little tip which you could do. Is because it's got an Allen screw bolt and it's got quite a bit of a flange on there. So what I do is I put them in a drill, tighten it up so it acts like a drill, and then you get the heavy duty file and literally put it at an angle on high speed, and then just take off enough just so it can start into the thread. And there you are. You see, it's all nicely done. Right, okay, what I'm going to be doing first is drilling out this with a 5mm drill bit. Drill the other one. Right there, nice and easy. Get the airline and blow those out. Okay, now because this is aluminium casting, I'm going to be very slow on this. Trying to get it in straight as I can. It's cutting very easy. I probably could use the bolts to self tap, but yeah, it's going in very easy. Back and forwards nicely. Right, I'm just going to show you something else I had a little problem with on this one here. When I put the tap inside, this bar here was in the way. So what I did, I took the tap out, I put it into a drill, and very slowly, which I'm going to show you with this one, to keep it nice and straight. Because it's soft metal. Okay, we just give that a quick blowout. Once again, cover the camera. And then use the bolt and it goes in nicely. Just make sure it goes all the way down to the bottom. Okay, let's put this on, and got some washers as well to use because I had to take the brass things completely out. Got a bit of plastic stuck on that already. That's it. Okay. Right, that's one in, just for the time being. Right, it's just make sure it's not on. Turn that like it, and this should. Let's do this. Okay, so that's sorted. Nice little quick fix. So just remember, you can do that not only just on machines when you're tapping, dyeing, any other stuff. But what you have to remember is you've got to use the right drill size bit for that size tap. Now I used M6 bolts. Now the drill bit for that is an M5, and you have to look up the gauge for what drill size for what tap. Make sure you use the correct ones, or you can ruin it. So anyway, if you like this video and you'd like to see some more, please like this one, give us a subscribe, and there's a little notification bell down on the bottom. Hit that and then you will see more future videos for me and what I can do. So until next time, cheerio.